classmates. Today I'm going to share a personal story about the happiness moment of my life. This special event happened when I was 12 years old, and it was the day I entered to the high school. For many years I had dreamed of studying of this prestigious school. However, the process was not easy. To have that opportunity to apply, I had to get the best grades in elementary school, and I did this entire process along with my father, who support me every single step of that way. To get an admission prospect, my dad and I went to sleep outside the school for a whole night. While we were waiting on the street in the cold, we were talking about my future. After getting this prospect, I had to take a difficult admission exam. On the day of the results, I didn't go to the elementary school. Instead, I went directly to the Mejia High School to check the list. While I was walking through the crowd, my heart was beating fast. Suddenly, I saw my name on the accepted student list. I feel an incredible joy because I knew that all Omar's sacrifice was worth it. I ran to my father and I brought the good news to him. He was smiling and crying with happiness because we knew how hard I get studied for that exam. We celebrated together that day. Entering to Mejia High School changed my life. I made feel proud and I couple of activities any goal. I have never forget the emotion of wearing that uniform for the first time after so much effort. Since that day, I have learned that work hard and family support always play off. Thank you very much for listening my story.